We forgot the kitty. A kitty.
I'll go get your kitty, that's fine.
The big old kitty.
Okay.
Or the small kitty.
Okay.
Heavy traffic.
She's so pouty.
There are cars and trees.
And rain.
Here comes the Robin Williams Tunnel. Look at this, guys.
Bridge! See Alcatraz. Is that Treasure Island?
That's Azkaban.
What?
What?
That's Alcatraz.
Oh, I think we saw somebody die here once.
Somebody who died.
But yeah.
Check it out. We never get parking right in front.
I see it. I see it. Oh, no.
So you're twisting that and the trucks go up. So what you do is you put $1 in there. Ooh, you're working so hard.
You're almost there. Yes.
Those are drums. Want to drum on it? Okay, thank you.
Want to check it out? Want to see what's in there? It's peanut butter jelly! Half a loaf of bread with other things inside of it.
I want crackies.
Crackies. Oh, don't crack crackers. You're doing a good job of cracking them. Oh, look at that. A little nugget. What are you finding?
Cracker.
Piece of cracker, huh?
No crackers in here before. There used to be one jewel in here, but then it was a long time ago, and then I took it. So now there's no more jewels.
How long ago was that?
25 years ago.
That kid was so smart, Aries. Guess I can't really be making fun of him when we were just sweeping sand over here. You're so high up right now?
They call me Little Buglet.
Little buglet?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, little buglet. Let's see what happens here.
Dada, you get me.
It's okay. There you go. Oh, mom's got ya.
You're much taller.
I am a little taller than you.
Thanks, Riv. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please, please don't do that. Don't do that.
Did it.
Wow.
That's for the flag for you.
Oh, thanks, Bug. Thank you.
It's like the Pumpkin King.
Like the Pumpkin King? Everything's like the Pumpkin King to you.
That was a great idea, Dad.
Thanks, Bug. You want to find something to help me build this?
Yeah.
Tell you what,
Maybe
you find a cool piece that you like and we'll figure out a way to put it in.
This one. Wait, let me add some more stairs.
Are you making art?
Let me put that in there.
You put what in? Put this in?
Yeah. This is
I don't know if you're gonna fit in there, Aries. Is that relaxing?
Beyond relaxing, you have no idea.
Oof. Oh, she got bored of the Zen garden quick. These are your favorite things, aren't they? And is this your favorite thing?
No.
Now I have to do that.
Want to show Dad?
Hey, what are you making right now?
Some more ice cream. I love that.
Oh, that's so cool. Did you make that? Want to tell us what flavor it is?
Strawberry, vanilla, strawberry.
What are you painting?
A goggle.
Tired Dad is tired.
I am. I really am. I was almost falling asleep in there on the bench.
Are you satisfied with your work?
Yeah.
Maybe a little more, huh?
Okay. Well, we're gonna go right now.
You play some music, Aries? Getting into the snacks?
Snack.
Are you ready to leave?
Yeah.
Of course you can.
Can I have a cracker, Mom?
Yes. Munch those crackers. Bye, Discovery Museum.
Bye.
We'll see you later.